YouTube, this is Afronique, and I'm back with a video response to Black Goddess 13. She did a video on what's in her fridge, so I'm going to come and share with you what's in my fridge. I just went to the grocery store the other day, so let's see what I got. So in my freezer, I mostly just have a lot of frozen fruit that I use for my smoothies. Then it's hubby's oatmeal. Then these are like some burger buns. I'm going to make some lentil burgers. Have some scraps for veggie broth that I need to make. That's that. And then over here I have some edamame. And then I actually bought some Trombolis raw vegan ice cream. This stuff is super sweet. In my fridge, I've got some bouquets right there of my herbs. I've got unsweetened soy milk to add into things. Then some that we drink. Water. Down here, I've got my fruits, my cranberries, apple, pear, some chickpea salad that I made, some garlic, some persimmon. My first time buying them. I don't know how to pronounce them yet. Got some oats, some almonds, got some dates, hummus, got some bread, and so I found some bagels, some whole wheat sesame bagels. Then I got my flaxseed back here, and then I have some that I've ground up. Got some maple syrup and some tofu. Got some almond butter. Back in that bag back there is popcorn. And then I don't know if you can see that good, but I made a salad. Got some soy yogurt, some grapes, and then down here I've got some kale, some cranberries. I got some broccoli, celery, spinach, red onion, all that good kind of stuff back there. Over here I have my acai that I use in my smoothies, some soy sauce, my mustard that I put in some stuff, and then my earth balance, and some fruit spread. I use that instead of jelly. So let's check out my pantry. So the top row is cereals. Sugar-free for my daughter, but she really likes the other kinds too. That was kind of a transition from the Cheerios. And then I've got some vegetarian Worcester sauce, and then this is a lot of my vinegars mostly, some veggie broth, and then also I have the bouillon, and then vinegar, some oil, tomatoes. Then I have my pastas and some grains back here. And then down here you'll see mostly beans. That's what they are in the brown bags. I buy them in bulk. So they come like that. Then I have a few in cans. And then my bottom row, I have some marinara sauce and diced tomatoes. I have some applesauce and some coconut water. Here are my seasonings. And then I have more over here. And lots of bananas. Some will get frozen for smoothies, and then others are just a quick snack. Then I have a plantain too. And I'm waiting to get to very sweet. And then this final area has some quinoa. That's that big bag right here. I've got some almonds because I'm going to make almond milk. Got like dried fruit like raisins and apricots. I think this one has like some nutritional yeast in it. Lower bars, which I love. Then I have like seeds. I've got pumpkin seeds. I've got sunflower seeds. These are like my seeds, my nuts, and my dried fruit that I keep over here. I have some chia seeds too. That's what those are. Thanks for checking out what I got up in my kitchen.